This is the second session on binary files, and in this session we will see another example of binary file in which we will create a file named student having roll number, name and marks of students. In this session we will insert only single record of a student and read the content of that one student. In the next session we will create the same file student and insert multiple records of a student and then the records of multiple students present in a binary file. Question is, create a binary file named student having name, roll number and marks of student. In this session we will create a binary file having name, roll number and marks of students. Name of the binary file will be student, which is given in question, and for creating a binary file we will use pickle module in this case. In the previous session we have created a binary file using read and write functions without any particular module, but in this case we will use a pickle module. Module is actually another folder having so many function definitions. The functions which are defined inside module, you can use those functions after importing the module in your program. For creating a binary file we will use pickle module. For using the functions which are defined inside pickle module, first instruction will be import module name. Module name is pickle, so write pickle. Okay, after this instruction I can use the functions which are available inside this module. One function is dump. Dump function is there. This function is used for writing the content to the binary file. Okay, so if you want to write some content, then you need to use dump function. For reading the content from the binary file, you need to use load function. Load function is there for reading the content from the binary file. Okay, so these are the two functions which we will use in our program for reading and writing. First of all, create a binary file by using open function. By using open function we have already created a text file. First parameter of the open function will be either file name or file path. If you want to create your binary file in any particular drive, then you can give the name of that drive. Like in this case I want to create my binary file in D drive, so I have written the name of drive and after that name of the file. Dot extension bin, binary extension bin, and dat extension is also used for creating a binary file. Next, second parameter will be the mode in which you want to open your file. So I want to create a file having some content, so I need to first of all write the content to the file. That's why write mode is there in the second parameter. Now after that I need to take name, roll number and marks of students from user as input. So take the input from user name by using input function, give it a prompt string, enter name of student. Roll number, it must be in integer form, that's why enclose input function inside int function. Give a prompt string enter a roll number. Okay. Marks will also be in integer form, that's why the same syntax will be written for marks also. Enter marks. After that, I will create a dictionary from these three datas: name, roll number and marks. For creating a dictionary, use curly brackets. Each element of the dictionary will be in the form of key value pair. So first key, let us assume it is roll number, colon, and then value. Value will be this one, roll number, which is taken from user as an input. So this will be the value. First element is roll number, then second element name of student, its value will be name, which is taken from user as an input. Okay, then third element is marks, value is marks. Since Python is a case sensitive language, so this marks, in which M is capital and all the other characters are in small letter, this marks is different from this marks, in which all the characters M, A, R, K, S all are in small letters. After this, now I want to write this dictionary to my binary file. So for writing the content to the binary file, I will use dump function. Dump function is there. So name of the module, which is pickle in this case, write the name of module, then function name after dot. So dump is a function for writing the content to binary file, so I will use this function dump. Inside this two parameter, you have to pass two parameters. First parameter is the data which you want to insert in file. So first parameter will be dic, dictionary, which I want to pass in binary file, and second is the file object. So file object in this case, if f is, what this instruction will do, this will write contents of dictionary to binary file, name is student. F is the file object. Close the file. Save your code and then run. Now see, first of all it is asking for name of the student, so pass the name, then roll number, pass the roll number and marks. Okay, so since there is no error, it means your code is okay, and these contents having roll number 1, name Ramesh, mark 78 has been inserted in your binary file. Okay, now suppose you want to also see the content of your binary file. So for reading the data from the binary file, again open the file in read mode, open, function will be used. So this one, path of the file, then now open it in read mode. So RB will be the mode. B stands for binary. If you want to open binary file in read mode, then write RB. Now use load function, pickle.load. Load function will be used for reading the content from the binary file and pass file object, which is F. Okay, and then close the file. So it will read the data from the binary file. Save your code and then run. Again asking for entering name of student, so pass the name, roll number, marks okay. Why here output is not displayed? Because you haven't used print instruction. Print instruction will display you the output. So again, for after reading the content by using load function, you must store the content in some variable. So let us assume x is the variable. So when you print x, okay, so it will display the data read by the load function. So save and again run your code. Now again, name of student, roll number, marks, and then enter. So now in this case it is displaying the output having roll number 3, name of the student is Gita, and marks is 80. So in this way you can read and write the data of a single student. Okay, what you have done, first of all you have imported a pickle module. After that, open the file in write mode, then name, roll number and marks, take it from user as input. Dictionary has been created. After that by using dump function of pickle module, you have inserted dictionary in your binary file. File object is there as a second parameter. After that, close the file. Again, next time you have opened the file in read mode, pickle.load. Load function is used for reading the content from the binary file. After that, this data which is read which is returned by the load function is stored in variable x. After that, you displayed x by using print function and then close the file. So this will display the data read by the load function. Now see, if you want to read and write the contents of your binary file by using WB plus mode, when you open the file in this, so in this case, in this mode, WB plus mode, then in that case you can write the content to binary file as well as you can read the data from binary file. So in that case you do not need to close the file and again open the file in read mode. Then there is no need of again opening the file. You can directly do this, but one restriction is there, that when you write some content to the binary file, then you have reached at the end of the file. So for reading the content of the file, you need to move your file pointer at the beginning of the file. So for moving the file pointer at the beginning of the file, you need to use seek function. Seek function is there for moving your file pointer anywhere, and since you want to move your file pointer at the beginning of the file, that's why inside seek function parameter index value 0 is given. Okay, after write f.c. So this will move your file pointer at the beginning of the file. Now your file pointer is present at the starting. आपका जो file pointer है, it is pointing at the first character of your file data. Okay, after that you can read the data by using load function and then display it. So when you save and run this code, then you can do this. Okay, so now the output is same. First of all, you have entered the record of one student in your binary file, and after that by using load function you are reading the content of the binary file. But see, in this case we are inserting the record of only one student and reading the record of that one student. Suppose you want to enter the record of more than one students, so in that case you need to use while loop, because dump function and load functions, they will be used each time whenever you want to write some data to the content to the binary file, or you want to read some data from the binary file. Means अगर आपको सपोज आपको 10 स्टूडेंट्स की एंट्रीज करनी है, देन ईच टाइम यू नीड टू राइट टर्म फंक्शन, एंड फॉर रीडिंग द टर्म रिकॉर्ड्स again you need to write load function 10 times. So that's why you need to use loop in this case, in the case when you want to insert more than one record in your binary file and read more than one record at the same time from your binary file. So that concept will be covered in the next session.